When you search for cordless air paint sprayers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, VONFORN Paint Sprayer. Let's kick things off with the VONFORN Paint Sprayer. Priced at just $42.49, this sprayer caught my attention with its bestseller badge and solid 4.3-star rating from 7,600 reviews. If you want an affordable option that delivers decent results, this is worth a serious look. The 700W motor means it can handle various paint types, and the included dust-blowing joint ensures a smooth finish by clearing debris before you spray. Users rave about how easy it is to clean, thanks to the included cleaning tools, which is crucial for maintaining performance. Now, some people complained about the need for a specific voltage, as it only works with 110/120V. Here's the thing though, if you have a compatible power source, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who are budget conscious but still want a reliable sprayer. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle smaller projects. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs something more heavy-duty. For the price, it's definitely a great value. Now, if the VONFORN's power limitation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its cordless design. Product number 2, Tilswall Brushless Sprayer. Next up is the Tilswall Brushless Cordless Paint Sprayer, priced at $99.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 167 reviews, it's a solid contender. If you're after a cordless option that maximizes mobility, this might be your best bet. The unique side feed design allows for quick paint refills without spills, which is fantastic for efficiency on the job. Plus, with 3 spray patterns and a variable flow control, you can customize your painting experience to suit different surfaces and projects. However, some users mention that it requires the DeWalt 20V battery, which isn't included. Now I get it, that can be frustrating if you don't already own one. Still, if you do have a compatible battery lying around, this sprayer offers great performance and flexibility that outweighs the initial battery cost. This is perfect for you if you want the freedom to work without cords on larger projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without prior battery investment. For the features it offers, the price is justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something lightweight and easy to handle. Product number 3, Pulendy Cordless Sprayer. Now let's check out the Pulendy Cordless Paint Sprayer, priced at a budget-friendly $37.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 370 reviews, it's another great pick if you're looking for value. This sprayer brings the convenience of being completely cordless, allowing you to tackle projects without worrying about finding an outlet. Plus, the dust-blowing attachment helps you clean surfaces before spraying, a nice touch for ensuring a smooth finish. That said, some users pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to clean if you let paint dry inside. But here's the thing, if you make it a point to clean right after use, it's not a deal breaker. Just remember to maintain it properly for the best results. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to try out spray painting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're planning to use it for heavy-duty tasks, as it might struggle under that pressure. Given the price, it's definitely a fantastic option for light to medium jobs. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle a bit more power, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Tilswall Shark 800. Next, we have the Tilswall Shark 800 HVLP spray paint gun, also priced at $99.99. It boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 206 reviews, making it a solid choice for those stepping up their painting game. One of the key features is its innovative side feed design, which lets you refill the paint without making a mess. The Shark 800 comes with 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray modes, making it versatile for different tasks like painting walls or furniture. The 98-inch hose provides ample reach, which is great for larger projects where you might need to move around a lot. However, a few users mentioned that the sprayer can be heavy after prolonged use, which might cause fatigue. Here's the thing, if you're planning on doing a lot of detailed work, you might want to take breaks or consider a lighter model. But for most users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker given its performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful, versatile option for larger projects. Skip this one if you have limited upper body strength or plan to work for extended periods without breaks. For the performance and features, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you're after something ultra lightweight for quick jobs, the final product on my list is right up your alley. Product number 5, Tilswall Cordless Dreamer 400. Finally, let's talk about the Tilswall Cordless Paint Sprayer Dreamer 400, priced at $39.99. With a 4.1-star rating from 88 reviews, it's a great choice for anyone who wants an easy-to-use portable option. This sprayer is compatible with Dualt 20V batteries, allowing for total freedom of movement. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, which is a huge plus for overhead jobs or tedious detail work. On the downside, some users noted that it may require frequent refills for larger jobs, given its smaller paint cup capacity. But honestly, if you're doing smaller projects or touch-ups, that's not really a huge issue. It's all about what you need it for. This is perfect for you if you prioritize portability and simplicity in your painting tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle large-scale jobs without constant refills. For the price, it offers great ease of use and efficiency. So there you have it. We've covered the VONFORN, Tilswall Brushless, Pulendy, Tilswall Shark 800, and Tilswall Dreamer 400. Each one has its strengths and is designed for different users and projects. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned DIYer, there's definitely something here for everyone. Happy spraying!